Yeah, soldiers. What you know about war, dummy? Huh? What you know about the laws of a law? Stupid. Word. What you wanna live for?
This week on Urban Sound Station TV, we have music videos by Devin, JWN Blades, Kest the Band, Freeway, Esperanza Spalding, Fonte, Styles P, and Pharaoh Munch. But before that, we have a special message from the Consul General of Barbados. Stay tuned.
I'm Lennox Price. I'm Barbados' Consul General at New York. And today I will be speaking about the Barbados Network Consultation 2012, the second Diaspora Conference, which will be from August 7th to the 10th at the Lloyd Erskine Stanleyford Center. It should be noted that this conference will be preceded by a number of educational, community, and social activities commencing August 2nd. For individuals who need more information, you can contact the Barbados Consulate at 212-551-4325, or you can visit the Ministry of Foreign Affairs website. It's www.foreign.gov.bb/Barbados Network, and you can definitely get more information there. As a matter of fact, you can get all information about the conference, at that website.
If you would like more information about this event, you can call 212-551-4332. That number again is 212-551-4332.
Gem of the Caribbean Sea, one nothing with me. I am a Bajan. I'm a Bajan.
Great Pharaoh Munch, y'all.
Yes, sir. What up, Pete?
Great Styles be the ghost. 1, 2.
I say, open the door, let me in. Teach your song, preach your sins. Turn the cheek, let it slide. Give me 5 on the black hand side. The black hand side. Oh, oh, oh. Black hand side. Black hand side. Oh, oh, oh. The black hand side.
Give me 5 on the black hand side. And tell you what I see through the black man's eyes. Fly chick in a Cadillac, a black man ride. But every different day a different black man die. Shorty mama tripping off a crack mad high. Now he watching TV, loving the bad guy. Piss poor with a welfare check. He know he African, cause he ain't get healthier yet. Now he put down his knapsack, got a crack pack. You don't overstand if your vision ain't abstract. We in the projects, a lot of us is lab rats. Voted for Obama, hoping he wouldn't have that. Now I can tell you that I felt hell. I still remember how a cell smelled. I still remember how the pigs act. Family crying up on the VI, couldn't dig that. Open the door and teach your soul. Pass the blunt around, hoping that it reach your soul. Now give me 5 on the black hand side. Ghost and Pharaoh Munch, watch the black man rise.
Yeah. Open the door, let me in. Teach your song, preach your sins. Turn the cheek, let it slide. Give me 5 on the black hand side. The black hand side. Oh, 5, bruh. Black hand side. Black hand side. Oh, 5, bruh. Black hand side.
Pharaoh's a Navajo chief, the way you're making it rain. But never for a stripper with emotional pain. Do it despite the system nourishment for the brain. Cause rain, seed plus soil, you eat fruits and grains. My hood told me, nigga, keep it simple and plain. So let me explain the game, break it down a couple of levels like Tetris. These youngest kill their own blood for a necklace. Leave slumped over the wheel of your Lexus. Smoke kush, wake up and eat breakfast. Like what the fuck you expect? A generation overly obsessed with monsters. Our revolutionaries want Grammys and Oscars. imposter. Fake auras and weak chakras, making a mockery of the music to be pop stars. And they say I'm insane, cause I see the remains of the whips and the chains in my hood where it ain't all good. Peep the pain of a single mother, she's struggling. Young child slain, give me 5 on the black hand side. Let's maintain like the Soul Train and keep it moving together, I'm saying.
Open the door, let me in. Teach us all, preach us in. Turn the cheek, let it slide. Give me 5 on the black hand side. The black hand side. Oh, give me 5, bruh. Black hand side. Black hand side. Oh, give me 5, bruh. Black hand side.
Yeah, Vaughn Jigger.
Give me 5, bruh. Give me 5.
Styles P.
Give me 5, bruh. Give me 5.
Foul Minds.
Give me 5, bruh. Give me 5. Give me 5, bruh. Give me 5.
Did you know that the government, federal, state, and city, appropriate money for prisons based off the number of students that fail 4th grade exam?
GW and Blaze again, till the very end where your best of friends we say. It's a brand new style to send the girl them wild, 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 wild. First time touch the mic, so we had fun. We come back again, Soca Banton. It's carnival time again. Back on all in Port of Spain. Give me the criminal wine notorious. Look how you been out your back so obvious. Behind the truck, all the girl walking up and they don't give a. And they singing the refrain. Carnival is we time. Back on all in real life. Wine and way. Push back and wine for way. Carnival is we time. Back on all in real life. Wine and way. Push back and wine for way. Because we are drinks and we got sip, sip. Girls walking up, dip, dip. Push back and just let we feel it. Push back and let we see it. Drinks and we got sip, sip. Girls walking up, dip, dip. Push back and just let we see it. Push back and let we feel it. Carnival is we time. Back and all in real life. Wine and way. Push back and wine for way. What's that wine? Carnival is we time. Back and all in real life. Wine and way. Push back and wine for way. We party from sundown to sun up. Things to front this carnival turn up. I hear crowd people say carnival is calling way. Look how the place hot like a tower. Port of Spain, Rimas and Osawa. Beyond the truck, all the girl walking up and they don't give up. And they singing the refrain. Carnival is we time. Back and all in real life. Wine and way. Push back and wine for way. Carnival is we time. Back and all in real life. Wine and way. Push back and wine for way.
Hello? Mr. Allen, I'm having a disturbance in the neighborhood there, a residential disturbance. Like a big party going on next door.
How big the party?
Yeah, a real big party. I mean glass breaking and thing. And people bawling and screaming and thing.
This is unacceptable. What address?
It's number 69, Saddle Road, 29, 254 Street.
I'll be on it.
Hello?
Blazanda?
Yeah?
Your good friend GW Allen here. How you going?
Yeah, talk to Marlon.
You ready for the wedding?
Yeah, of course. Blazanda always ready.
Who we going on with? We going on with a party at GW and Blaze, boy. They disturb in the neighborhood.
GW and Blaze disturbing it again.
Ready for it?
Let me saddle up.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Let's saddle up to the saddle.
Nevertheless, listen. It's wetting. It's wetting time.
Let me wet them.
Wetting. Because we are drinks and we got sip, sip. Girls walking up, dip, dip. Push back and just let we feel it. Push back and let me see it. Drinks and we got sip, sip. Girls walking up, dip, dip. Push back and just let we see it. Push back and let me touch the mic so we had fun. We come back again, Soca Banton. It's carnival time again. Bacchanal in Port of Spain. Give me the criminal wine, notorious. Look how you been out your back so boldly. Behind the truck, all the girl walking up, all the girl walking up on the carnival is we time. Bacchanal and real life, wine and way. Push back and wine for way. Carnival is we time. Bacchanal and real life, wine and way. Push back and wine for way.
Hey. What is this? What is this? What is this? Hold him, Blazander, hold him. He gone. Listen, Blazander. Look at this. A clear indication of the lack of respect for people premises. This was a rockers party here. Listen, it is wetting after wetting after wetting. JW, Allen, and Blazander. We will find that JW and Blaze. We will find them, and we will hot up their head. Aha!
The rhythm how we whistling, the drop your drop. The rhythm how we whistling, the drop your drop. The rhythm how we whistling, the drop your drop. The rhythm how we whistling. Hey, 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 hey. Right now I feel like dancing down, shaking my leg or something. Shake, jump and touch the ceiling. What a night I'm on it, warrior. Start to jumping, dancing, waving, music pumping, mashing up something. Start to jumping, dancing, waving, music pumping, mashing up something. This is a drop drop rhythm, drop drop whistle, drop drop song. When you gonna dance, please show me a drop drop dance. Then I start do the drop drop dance. Shake a leg with the drop drop dance. Take a jump with the drop drop dance. Start to jump with the drop drop dance. When the party start, we don't want it to stop. If you feel the vibes, then put your hands them up. Anyway we party, we just smash it up. So take out all your lighters and just start to flash it up. Right now I feel like dancing down, shaking my leg or something. Shake, jump and touch the ceiling. What a night I'm on it, warrior. Start to jumping, dancing, waving, music pumping, mashing up something. Start to jumping, dancing, waving, music pumping, mashing up something. The jab jab is a hanging with me in a chop chop trance. So I put on my jab jab shirt and I put on my jab jab pants. Then I start do the jab jab dance. Shake a leg with the jab jab dance. Take a jump with the jab jab dance. Start to jump with the jab jab dance. When the party start, we don't want it to stop. If you feel the vibes, then put your hands them up. Anyway we party, we just smash it up. So take out all your lighters and just start to flash it up. Right now I feel like dancing down, shaking my leg or something. Shake, jump and touch the ceiling. What a night I'm on it, warrior. Start to jumping, dancing, waving, music pumping, mashing up something. Start to jumping, dancing, waving, music pumping, mashing up something. The rhythm how we whistling, the drop your drop. The rhythm how we whistling, the drop your drop. The rhythm how we whistling, the drop your drop. The rhythm how we whistling. Hey, 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 hey. Dance, shake. What a night I'm on it, warrior. Jump, wave, mashing up something. Jump, wave, mashing up something.
I'm so
Bashmantown on HD live from Nikon Theatre Jones Beach, saying big up Urban Sound Station, #1 in the game.
Ouch! I'm here to tell you that there ain't the most riding, the most jumping, the most waving, and please leave your stress in your house. 'Cause we be up in the bar, ain't no stress in the town. Switch your worries and stress away. 'Cause here I won't stay when the music starts to play. Yeah, every single day. Be free, so free. Listen, yeah, you see my team, we are stressless, and we fed more, never fed less. Cause we what less, never breathless, and we were them girls, the wine reckless. I am Cassius, and I'm blessed, yes, like love until I'm full of success. For all who hear waiting. I don't get upset for them suckers, them I bring cocksets. Tell the girl bring the waist, let we wind it up. And every man bring drinks, let we drink it up. Take me a BB pin, let we link it up. Let we sink it up. Yeah, we be having a time when we drink and we lime. Let we party, everybody. Cause we'll be having a ball. Ain't no stress in the town. Switch your worries and stress away. Cause here I wanna stay. When the music starts to play, yeah, every single day. Be free, so free. I know this girl from over there. She like to work, but love to play. She wanna jump up, wanna free up, want to wine and don't wanna breathe up. Every night, every day. She say let's ride, chip down there. She wanna jump up, wanna free up and live in a dream. Inception, she on that soul. Tell the girl bring the waist, let we wind it up. And every brother bring a bottle, let we beat it up. Rasta girl bring the jam, let we grind it. Then join it up, yeah, we'll be happy.
This is Machel Montano HD, live from Nikon Theatre, Jones Beach, saying big up Urban Sound Station, #1 in the game.
What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
How was school?
Good.
Yeah? What'd you do?
We got to pet my teacher dog.
She brought her dog to school?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what'd you learn today in school, man?
We're starting world history.
Oh yeah, world history?
Yeah, today we learned about Africa and tomorrow we're gonna learn about Rome.
Wait, wow, so one day for Africa, huh?
I guess
Well, what did you learn?
that there were pharaohs and big huge pyramids in Egypt. And that there are 86 countries on the continent.
Wow, I
like this. And that a lot of slaves came from West Africa.
Oh, that's what you learned?
Yeah. And also that the oldest bones of humans was found there.
Were found there.
Huh?
Were found there. Well, did you learn that Africa was full of queens and kings and some of the first democratic societies were found in Africa?
No.
Africa was full of thousands of languages and religions. Watch yourself. And that some of the most amazing artists and scientists that ever walked the face of the earth lived in Africa?
No.
And that man's oldest relatives, like one of the most sustainable civilizations ever, started there in Africa and still lives there today, actually. Did you learn any of that?
No.
Okay. Well, after dinner, we're going to look at some of my African history books, okay?
Okay.
Hold your head as high as you can, high enough to see who you are, little man. Life sometimes is cold and cruel, maybe no one else will tell you, so remember that you are black gold, black gold. You are black gold. Now maybe no one else has ever told you so.
Boys, dinner. Come get your food.
But you're golden, baby, black gold with a diamond soul. Think of all the strength you have in you, from the blood you carry within you. Ancient men, powerful men, builders of civilization. There'll be folks hell-bent on putting you down. Don't get burned, don't get burned. Not necessarily everyone will know your worth. No, no, no. All your worth. Think of all the strength you have in you, the blood you carry within you. Ancient men, powerful men, builders of civilization. Think of the strength to have, think of the strength you have civilization. Hold your head as high as you can, high enough to see who you are. Life sometimes is cold and cruel, baby. No one else will tell you, so remember that you are.
Definitely, as usually, Pantrin Vibes, Rigo Suave endorsing the official Urban Sound Station TV. That is the official way for the Caribbean. That is the wave, and definitely you got to be on the wave, you understand? Urban Caribbean Sound Station TV, Pantrin Vibes, we endorse it all the way.
So guys, don't forget, this is all brought to you by the Urban Sound Station right here. The #1 sound station leading the way when you go to your fetes and all your Caribbean events, all right? Lock it in like that.
The goals to bring you hot songs, block poems, rock and roll. Touch your soul, got that Negro spiritual flow. People saying freeze off the streets, it's a miracle. Fresh whips, way more chips than a year ago. Free and Jake One, Ebony and Ivory, make perfect harmony. Stevie Paul McCartney flow. Wonder why Stem Pack didn't sell a million when clearly everywhere we go they starving for our audio. Still pull strings just to get the cheese polio. Travel through more levels than Mario for cardio. No, we not about to drop Geronimo. Clown, don't you know we hold it down till it's time to go. Yeah, we about to take the elevator up. We on a rise like an escalator, check my latest. They say you only good as your last jam. Thus far, every bar up the bar, let them hate us. We about to take the elevator up. We on a rise like the escalator, check my latest. They say you only good as your last jam. Thus far, every song up the bar, let them hate us.
Climb the ladder to success, escalator style. Climb the ladder to success, escalator style. Climb the ladder to success, escalator style. As I leave my competition, respirator style.
Ow, I go super hard, dog. Check my archives. Now it's time to go even harder. Don't let a bar slide. Verbal landslide, get your mans buried. Phrases like the dictionary, keep your hands high. I tell the truth in my raps and my bars fly. And you can vision what I'm saying, call it Pictionary. Y'all on barbiturates and other stuff. People must want the picture, young on their obituary. We do them 100-yard passes, call it Hail Mary. Before them BlackBerry devices, they was paging us. Cause we got it there, even when they made it rough. Yup, matter of fact, that's the reason why we made it here. Yeah, we about to take the elevator up. We on a rise like the escalator, check my latest. They say you only good as your last jam. Thus far, every bar up the bar, let them hate us. We about to take the elevator up. We on a rise like the escalator, check my latest. They say you only good as your last jam. Thus far, every song up the bar, let them hate us.
Climb the ladder to success, escalator style. Climb the ladder to success, escalator style. Climb the ladder to success, escalator style. As I leave my competition, respirator style.
No stress, my dear, yes, my dear. And my foolish letting public schoolers test my ear. A few rich homies told me that's not care. But if I treat the kids phony, homie, that's not fair. Intuition that I'm holding, this is what the streets get your top-notch beat picker. God bless my ear. I travel long distances despite superstition, looking for a competition, but it's just not there. All bar sporty, no short bus shorty. Check my composition, we are on a mission, special ed. The bearded cat with the dumb flow back, spitting halo raps that's over your head. Yeah, we about to take the elevator up. We on a rise like an escalator, check my latest. They say you only good as your last jam. Thus far, every bar up the bar, let them hate us. We about to take the elevator up. We on a rise like the escalator, check my latest. They say you only good as your last jam. Thus far, every song up the bar, let them hate us.
Climb the ladder to success, escalator style. Climb the ladder to success, escalator style. Climb the ladder to success, escalator style. As I leave my competition, respirator style.
Yo, who could it be? This is your boy RUPEE. It's all about Urban Sound Station TV. Yo, tempted to touch, Urban Sound Station TV. We love it so much. Love you, man. Bless, man.
Urban Sound Station TV. Make sure y'all tune in. It's going down every Monday and all that. Boom, LB in the mile.
I'm Mr. Big Up my brethren, Wayne. With Urban Sound Station Television, you don't know. Big up, Wayne.
I'm full.
I'm so I.